Namaste. We will continue with the sixth sloka in chapter 2. Na caitad vidmaḥ kataranno garīyo yadvā jayema yadi no jayeyuḥ yāneva hatvā na jijīviṣāmas te vastitah pramukhe dhārtarāṣṭrāḥ. We saw in the previous two slokas that Arjuna had started telling Krishna that he did not desire to kill Drona or Bhishma, for they were worship worthy. And he also said that killing them, enjoying whatever he gets, is actually blood tainted. Here he continues further saying that nacha caitad vidmaḥ. In Sanskrit, vidmaḥ meaning no. Na vidmaḥ, I do not know. What does he do not know? garīyo, which is better. I do not know which is better, Krishna. What is he asking? Yadvā jayema, yadivā naha jayeyuḥ. Whether we win or they win over us. I do not know which is better. Yāneva hatvā, killing whom? Na jijīviṣāmas. Jijīviṣāmas means desire to live. Na jijīviṣāmas means not desiring. So usually na in Sanskrit negates the meaning. So jijīviṣāmas is desire to live. Na jijīviṣāmas, then we do not desire to live. So it is just negation. Yāneva hatvā. So killing whom we do not desire to live. Te avastitaḥ. They are in front of us. Pramukhe avastitaḥ. They are standing in front of us. Who are they? Dhārtarāṣṭrāḥ, who are related to dhritarashtraḥ. So here he says that he doesn't know what is actually better, whether we win or they win, because even if we kill them, after that we don't desire to live, is what he told. And continuing on that, kārpaṇya-doṣopahata-svabhāvaḥ pṛchhāmi tvāṁ dharma-sammūḍhachetāḥ yachhreyaḥ ništitam brūhi tanme śiṣyaste'haṁ śādhi tvāṁ prapannam. kārpaṇya, kripana svabhāvaḥ, kārpaṇyam. In Sanskrit, kripanata meaning pitiable. When I am a kripanaha also means miser, but here it means in a pitiable shape. So we know that Arjuna is very weak, feeling very weak now, and so kārpaṇya-doṣam. So because of that dosham, what happened? His svabhavam was taken away. Apahata meaning taken away, or overwhelmed. So his svabhavam, what is his nature? We all know that Arjuna was a great warrior. So his very nature was taken away. Pṛchhāmi, I ask. tvāṁ pṛchhāmi, I ask you. dharma-sammūḍhachetāḥ. Also I am confused with respect to dharma. In Sanskrit, dharma means what are your roles and responsibilities? What is your duty? Unlike in Tamil, where we use it for offering something to others. With respect to dhanam, we say it as dharma, but in Sanskrit it means what are your roles and responsibilities. yachhreyaḥ, what is good. Syāt ništitam brūhi, please tell me decisively. Tat me śiṣyaste'haṁ, I am your disciple now. So please, I am unable to decide. So please decide for me and tell me. Śādhi tvāṁ prapannam. Śādhi meaning teach. Teach me. And what am I? I am actually surrendering to you. Prapannam means surrender. I am surrendering to you. Therefore, please teach me what is good. Is what here Arjuna is telling Krishna. Going forward, he is going to still tell how he is feeling inside, and then we will see that Krishna will actually start his teachings, and that we will continue going forward. Dhanyavadaha.